我是 Ellie. Hello, I'm Ellie. Welcome to Crazy Grammar, the most fun and effective way to learn Chinese grammar. Today, we will continue talking about the particle word, 吧. We learned how to use 吧 to indicate suggestions before. Now, let's take a look at using 吧 to indicate suppositions. The commonly used sentence structure is subject plus 很 plus adjective plus 吧. In Chinese, when you have a presumption about something but are not completely sure, the particle word 吧 can be added at the end of the sentence to form a question. The equivalent in English is the tag question, such as, isn't it that right? For example, 新娘很漂亮吧? The bride is beautiful, isn't she? 新 first tone, 娘 second tone. 新娘 means bride. 很 third tone means very. 漂 fourth tone. 亮 neutral tone. 漂亮 means beautiful. 新娘很漂亮. The bride is beautiful. If you have a presumption about your statement or wish for reassurance, you just add a 吧 to include the tag question. The bride is beautiful, isn't she? 新娘很漂亮吧? 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 I'm going to Michael's wedding this weekend. Those two are so cute together. I wish I was going. 新娘很漂亮吧? The bride is so beautiful, isn't she? What did you eat? 麻婆豆腐。麻婆豆腐很辣吧? 麻婆豆腐 is spicy, isn't it? What are you looking at? I'm just looking at these photos of my niece. 你看，她很可爱吧? Look, she's really cute, isn't she? 真可爱. Yeah, she's really cute. In spoken Chinese, the subject in this structure can be omitted. We're left with 很 plus adjective plus 吧. Okay, let's see some examples. Hey, check out my profile picture on Facebook. I took it in front of the pyramids. 很酷吧? Pretty cool, isn't it? Wow, the pyramids look awesome. Look, I got a birthday gift from my boyfriend. What a beautiful earrings. 很贵吧? It's expensive, isn't it? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Now it's your turn. Upload your recording and tell me what you would say if you wanted to know whether your friend's new car was expensive or not. Leave me a message and don't forget to let me know what topics you want to learn. See you next time. 再见. Amy, is this you in the picture? Yes, it was taken while I was skydiving last summer. 很酷吧? Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Amy wants to know whether her picture is cool. Amy doesn't think her picture is very interesting. Amy doesn't enjoy skydiving. Please choose the best answer. I heard you went to Maldives. Maldives 很漂亮吧? Yeah, Bella, I love that place. Which of the following statements is true according to the dialogue? Bella wants to know whether Maldives is beautiful or not. Bella has no interest in Maldives. Bella suggests going to Maldives. Please choose the best answer.